Hi, I am Sarah Blair, MAT student here at Marble Grad Center. I'm presenting my cyberbullying website that I created for the Monadnock Regional School District. About a year ago, I went to my district curriculum director and my IT director, and I said to the two of them, I'm about ready to be done with my master's, and of course it's in teaching technology, so I'm wondering what I can do for you that can help you out. And they both said that they had been spoken to by the state, that we did not have a cyberbullying curriculum in place, and that they really needed to get it together. And with our IT staff being as understaffed as it is, that would be something that if I could help them out, it would be great. So I presented to them that I would think that we could use Google Sites as a sort of portal for lessons for our whole staff, so that we all have a sort of common language going on. And they said that would be great. So I went and I started to create the Google site that looked a lot like our current district site, same color scheme, keeping it all sort of similar so that it wasn't something very openly or awkwardly different. I had done a lot of research during my digital research technologies course, and I had found many websites that had cyberbullying curriculum already in place or already created, but the one that I felt was most thorough was Common Sense Media, because they align with Common Core standards, which is a big push in our state and many states. So I started to organize the lessons that they had already created, because it is a very overwhelming site. There's a lot more than just cyberbullying on Common Sense Media's site. I pulled lesson plans for grades K through 12 and made them into a very organized portal, so to speak, for our staff. The next issue was that I needed to present this to all the staff members at the 5 different elementary schools, and later on I will present for the high school. So I did go to individual staff meetings and met with teachers and showed them how to get there, and gave them job aids to help them access this later on when I'm not sitting right next to them. During all of this stuff, I used a lot of web design. I used a lot of the stuff I learned in instructional design and online collaborative tools, but I also did use things like some of the fun things that I learned in Tech for Educators over this past summer. I also, during all of my research, wanted to make sure that this website was accessible on all different platforms, so that teachers could use it at home, could do their planning at home and access it if they only had an Android tablet or an iPad. So I just know that the one place that I'm probably struggling the most with, or the one thing I'm mostly struggling with, and Karen and I have spoken about it, is really that follow up, that follow through, figuring out, if people are using the website. And this is going to continue to be a struggle, but I will work on that with Karen.